Our family.
Hey, what's up, Power Family? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is Power 99 FM here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of another Lenovo laptop. I previously did the unboxing of this, and I did a review on this Lenovo laptop. So I figured, why not do a second unboxing on this Lenovo laptop? So it's the same specs as the other one. It has Intel Celeron 1.1 GHz processor, 2 GB of DDR4 RAM, 32 GB of eMMC storage flash memory, and a 14-inch display. So I'm gonna do another unboxing of this laptop right now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Number 2, unboxing of this Lenovo laptop. So here we go. Here we go. Okay. So, as you can see here, this is the box right here. And it's pretty much the same as the other one. See, it's a Lenovo Ideal Pad right there. Ideal Pad. Intel inside right there. And here are the specs right here. There you go. Those are the specs. Like that. I hope you can see that. So, okay, doing the boxing. This Lenovo laptop. Number 2. Here we go. I remember that boxing night this time. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, I decided to get another one because I wanted to have another one as a. I want to have 2. One that I can leave at home and for home use, and this I can carry this around with me when I go out places. So this would be my work laptop, and my other laptop is my home laptop. My home is my work laptop for my work. Because I also, on the side, I also fix computers. I have my own PC that I do on the side for sorting out computers. It stands for special operations computer management. And I have my own PC business I do on the side sometimes. So this would be a good laptop that I can use for my business, so I can give customers rates and quotes about how much the parts will cost and how much it will be total, how much you can save, all that fun stuff that I do on the side. This is a form right here. Charger right here. I have like 3 of these chargers right here. It's the same charger I already have. Like this. Same one, you just plug this into the wall and you plug this into the laptop. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, I like these laptops, man. These laptops are pretty nice. I like these laptops. Pretty nice. I like them. I have like all these laptops, but thing is, the box is nothing. No more box. Hello? Anyone there? Nope. Nothing there. Awesome. So yeah, I have like 3 of these laptops. Well, 4 of these laptops. But one of them is my mom's, and then another one is my dad's, and I have 2 for myself. These 2 are for myself. One is for my home use, and the other one, this one is for my work. So I have like 4 of these laptops, the only 2 of these mine. I mean, it's not that bad of a price. It's only like $186, $180 on Amazon, so it's not that crazy. I mean, I got them when it's hot, so these should last me quite a long time. Hopefully, they should. These are some more telephone numbers and warranty information. I think it's there. It had telephone numbers and yeah, safety warning sometimes. So I leave this up here like this. These are this feet right here. So this is the laptop right here with the same one that I unboxed previously before. Right there. So take it out and show you. Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad of a laptop, man. It's pretty nice. And the only gripe I have with this really is it's a fingerprint magnet. It attracts fingerprints like crazy. And it's easily scratched. Those are my only 2 gripes with this laptop. Other than that, pretty sweet. And the bottom of the laptop, the feet down there on the laptop can get dirty really easily. But if you use your fingers, you can wipe the feet off. Or if you use some cleaning windows, you can wipe the feet off. You have like a microfiber cloth. You can put windows on the microfiber cloth to wipe the feet off, because feet and the bottom is really easy. Those are my only 2 gripes with this laptop. Oh, and the sound. Sound on this laptop, the speakers, are not that good, man. They're low. I would suggest you get yourself set to 2.1 speakers, just 2 USB speakers, plug in, or if you don't want to be USB, you can get 2.1, 2 speakers and 1 cell phone, and plug them in here and use 2.1 surround sound in your laptop, or just hook up a Bluetooth speaker and use a Bluetooth speaker on this. It sounds so much better. Either second to the speakers on this laptop, it's not that good, man. I just can't recommend it. But it's a good laptop. Oh. So this is the keyboard cover that comes on the keyboard like that, but it does suck on the screen and this one. So this is the laptop right here. The webcam is up right there with microphones. Well, it's built-in micro webcam. And well, the camera's not that good. The camera's only about 480p. It's not that good of a webcam. I would suggest you hook it up and take the webcam via USB on this laptop. Do that. Something better. So, the laptop is like that. As you can see, the laptop has keyboard layers right there. The keyboard is pretty damn nice, and the trackpad is pretty damn nice for the trackpad. And you have the Intel Strino CPU, really nice. See, told you, fingerprint mallet, that fingerprint. See, that fingerprint. That's the one thing I hate about this laptop. It's a damn fingerprint mallet. So that's the laptop right there in all its glory. There we go. So I hope everyone enjoys that video, and as always, if you're new to my channel, do not forget. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Power 99 FM. So, as always, guys, this is the Power 99 FM here, saying peace and stay classy, yo. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace, Power family. Repeat that.
Slide late and comment to the Power 99 FM.
Well, it got close. Points for trying, Melissa. Points for trying. Points for trying. At least you said the Power 99 FM good. So that's good.